A short-term rental, location plays a big factor. So we have been trying to address that issue by improving our submarket. So this is our market overview page, and this is the submarket section. So we shows what are the submarket that has the highest median revenue. So this is how our new submarket looks like. So we have a neighborhood grade. So we have A from the F. This shows which neighborhood earns more than other neighborhoods in this market, London. So you can see the heat map here. You can change this to occupancy rate. So then you can see some surprising result where like some of the like outskirt area has pretty good occupancy rate as well. You can check the ADR. You can simply check the listing count. So we have improved the submarket for some of the major markets, and we are still working on it. So let's see how this looks in Paris. So the occupancy rate looks like this. Oh, so this is the custom market that I created. So while you're analyzing it, let's say you want to really analyze maybe like this area, you can simply draw it, and we'll create a submarket for this area as well, which is a very nice feature, which gives the flexibility to analyze in your own term. Yeah, now this will appear here. You can see number of listings, occupancy rate, daily rate. You can export this result into a CSV as well. So other markets that we improved. So yeah, this is just what we've been working on. I'll come back with other updates as well. Bye.